Stop scrolling! If you drive in the UK, these 5 maintenance parts can literally save your engine, your money, and even your safety. Watch till the end, because number 4 and 5 are the most ignored but most important. 1. Engine oil and oil filter. Let's start strong with the heart of your car. UK roads plus cold weather plus stop-and-go traffic equals more stress on your engine. Old oil destroys performance, increases fuel usage, and can even kill your engine. So don't risk it. Change your oil and filter every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. Fresh oil equals smooth, powerful, and long-lasting engine. 2. Air filter. The air filter, the lungs of your engine. If your car feels weak, sluggish, or gives poor mileage, this tiny part is usually the reason. A clean air filter improves power and fuel efficiency. Check it every 12 months. It's cheap, quick, and absolutely worth it. 3. Brake pads and discs. In the UK's rainy, wet conditions, strong brakes are non-negotiable. Grinding sounds? Shaking when braking? Longer stopping distance? These mean your brake pads or discs are worn out. Check them regularly and replace before it becomes dangerous. 4. Suspension parts. Control arms, bushings, ball joints. Now the most ignored part. Suspension components. Control arms, bushings, ball joints. UK potholes destroy these parts faster than you think. If your car pulls left or right, feels unstable, or makes knocking sounds, that's your suspension crying for help. Fixing these instantly improves comfort and safety. 5. Battery and sensors. And finally, the system that powers everything. Cold weather drains weak batteries. Faulty sensors like O2 or MAF damage performance and increase fuel usage. If warning lights pop up, don't ignore them. Small sensor issues become big repair bills later. And remember, if you need high-quality replacement parts, D2P Auto Parts has you covered, with premium components and fast UK delivery. Plus, we offer dedicated customer service and full technical support. So even if you're not a car expert, you're never alone. D2P is here to help. Take care of these 5 parts, and your car will thank you with better mileage, better performance, and safer driving. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple UK car tips.